Everybody, I have another product again, one step hair dryer and styler. So this is straightening plus the drying, so it's hot air brush. I don't know what's inside the package, how it looks like. I'm going to show you in a bit. So it's a smooth frizz free blowouts in half the time. So one step hair dryer and styler, so faster, less damage. The brush help reduce moisture in hair for faster drying and less damage. It also reduces frizz and static, which make the hair soft and shiny. Lightweight design, ceramics, high qualities, spread the heat for all the surface of the plate. Negative ions surround each hair strand, eliminate static and frizz, providing brighter. So it's the 360-degree swivel cord around allows flexibility requires. So 360-degree cord allows flexibility required for stylists to move freely without the cord becoming tangled or damaged. It's perfect for today's advanced styling techniques. So Torn-on-line technology is a unique crystal process that procedures a high volume of negative ions when combined with infrared heat. This Salon tested technology provides less damage to hair cuticles, creating a smoother, silky final finish to your hair. So flexible tangle-free bristles with massaging ball tips help dry, smooth, and style hair in half the time, while the massaging ball tips are gentle to the scalp. That's the model number, 110 voltage for United States. Probably they also make for other countries as well. And there's another side, it says frizz-free blowouts and shine in up to half the time. Hot air brush. Alright, let's open the box and see what's inside the box. Alright, there's nothing else in the box. So it's a hot air brush. It's pretty big, and they give you the two clip for the hair, and it's pretty big. It's like a dryer, and there's an instruction manual. So you can see the instruction manual here. It has all the instructions. I'm not going to read everything here. It tells you how to maintain and care, how to operate, gives you an instruction for that, and the safety instructions and the warranty policy. So products are manufactured to the highest standards and will provide you with the superior performance when used in accordance with the instructions in this manual, as our products are 1 year replacement and 2-year warranty. If any problem, please contact us. We'll reply you at the first time. Okay, so you can see this is a cool tip on the top, 110 volt by 125, 1000 watt cool tip on the top, non-detachable brush head, innovative airflow vents, lightweight ergonomic design, multiple heat settings, and professional swivel cord. That's model number blower brush. I was not expecting this big. It's very big. You can see how I'm holding this, right? I was not expecting this big, but of course it's a dryer as well with the brush. So this is the cool tip. That's why it says over here. And this is a non-detachable brush. That means you cannot take out from here. And innovative airflow vents. So probably these are all the gaps. You can see that's the airflow vents everywhere. Right here, I don't know if you can see it. And multiple heat settings right here, where you're gonna move like this. You're gonna move high, medium, low, and off settings, and this cord will go like 360. You can go around by holding the cord, right? Alright, that's all included. We can definitely plug in and see how it's going to respond. Okay, immediately you see this off light, and once you turn on, let's hear the sound. High heat, so I can smell the heat. Yes, I can smell the heat. Probably this will work fine, I guess. It should be good. Yeah, it looks like it's working fine. I can feel the air. I can feel the air. So low, middle, and high. Right? All right, that's all. All right, I'm gonna come up with another video again. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.